Welcome back to my channel, your go-to destination for tech tutorials and cybersecurity tips. In today's episode, we are diving into the world of network scanning with Hping3. We will be covering a variety of commands using a practical example. So if you are ready to take your network scanning skills to the next level, let's get started. Before we dive into the commands, let's briefly discuss what Hping3 is. Hping3 is a powerful command line tool for crafting or sending TCP IP packets. It's commonly used for network testing and security assessments. Our first command is -h. This help menu for Hping3 providing information about the available options and their descriptions. Open the terminal and Hping3 type and place it here -h command and hit enter. This command will show you list Hping3 commands and their description, which can be extremely helpful as you explore its capabilities. Next up is a -s command, capital S command. So Hping3 capital S, and we have this flag specify that we want to use since package in our scan. Since packets are commonly used in a network scanning and can help identify open ports. So I have already my virtual machine, vulnerable machines here. Here is my metasploitable to vulnerable machines. So I have IP address of my machine. So you can scan your other networks to get the IP address of any domain and scan it here. So hit enter. Here are the packets are since packets are sent it to IP address. Okay. So this command sends the since packets to the specific IP address. Now let's introduce the -p flag. Okay. So first clear Control C and clear this. It allows us to specify the port number we want to target in our scan. So basically put the -p command with a specific port. Okay. So if you want to packet sends in 80, 443, 21, 22, 23, 25, any other ports number you can choose. I choose 80 and hit enter. This command sends since packets to port 80 of the target IP, which is commonly used for HTTP traffic. Okay. Moving on to the -f command, this flag sets a more fragment bit in the IP header. It can help avoid some system. Okay, intrusion detection system, and we put the -f command here, small f. Okay, so hit enter. This command sends fragmented since packets to port 80 of the target IP. Okay, so the -q flag is used for scanning ICMP ping request along with the TCP packets. Okay, so we use the capital Q. Okay, and I hit enter. This command sends since packets to port 80 of the target IP and pings it simultaneously. And here was the results. Last but not least, the last command is the TCP timestamps. Flags add a timestamps option to the TCP packets. This can help identify operating systems and track packets delay. Okay, so okay, here was the command and hit enter. This command sends the since packets to port 80 of the target IP with timestamps informations. Okay, here was the information of timestamps was sending a packets. Here is the ID that can be changed every time. Okay, let's wrap up our Hping3 tutorial on these essential commands. Remember to use Hping3 responsibly and only on system you have a permission to scan. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech and cybersecurity content. If you have any question or want to see more tutorials on specific Hping3 features, let us know in the comment below. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more great content from the Security 3. Until next time, happy scanning and stay secure.